What everybody wants. Principle 9, be sympathetic toward the other person's ideas and desires. I don't blame you for feeling the way you do. If I were you, I would surely feel the same way. That kind of response can melt anyone. These are magic words for ending conflicts, removing ill will, creating goodwill, and making the other person listen intently. To persuade people of your point of view, you must first be empathetic to theirs. Remember that just because their opinions differ from yours does not imply they are incorrect. And you can say it with complete sincerity because, if you were the other person, you would, of course, feel the same way they do. Show that you truly comprehend the other person's point of view by stating something like, "I entirely get why you see it that way." From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.